Quick, 3/4 of 80 in your head. If you reached for a pen, stay with me. By the end, you'll do that in a second. You'll tell which is bigger, 7/8 or 11/12 without multiplying a thing, and you'll crack a tank problem that trips up most people. Because fractions aren't scary. They're just division wearing a costume. I'm Swetha. Let's go. Look at this. A fraction like 3/4 just says, cut the whole into 4 equal pieces and take 3 of them. That's it. So 3/4 of 80, cut 80 into 4. That's 20 each. Take 3 of those 20s, 60. No pen. The bottom number cuts, the top number counts. Now here's the shift that makes everything fast. Stop translating fractions. Memorize them. And there's a pattern that does the memorizing for you. Start with a half, 0.5, 50%. Now just keep halving. Half of that is a quarter, 25. Half again is an eighth, 2.5. One ladder and you own the whole family. Then the odd ones, 1/3 is 33 and a third, 1/5 is 20. Learn these and everything else is just a multiple. 3/8, 3 times 1/8, 37.5%. You didn't calculate, you recall. Let's make it a reflex. 5/8 of 240. The slow way multiplies first. 5 times 240 is 1200, then divide by 8. Here's the golden rule. Cancel before you multiply. Divide by the bottom first. And dividing by 8? Just halve 3 times. 240, halved is 120, halved is 60, halved is 30. Now times 5, 150. Small numbers every time. And dividing by 8 is only 3 halvings in your head. Now, the big one, comparing fractions. Everyone reaches for cross multiplication, but most of the time, you can just see it. The bigger fraction is simply the one closer to a whole, 7/8 versus 11/12. 7/8 is 1/8 short of the whole. 11/12 is only 1/12 short, a thinner sliver, so it's closer to 1, so it's bigger, no multiplying. Same idea when both are the same distance short. 3/5 and 5/7 are each 2 away. The one with the bigger numbers sits closer to 1, so 5/7 wins. And if one is above a half and the other is below, you're already done. Now, the trap almost everyone falls for, bigger bottom means smaller fraction. That is only true when the tops match. Watch. 5/8 versus 7/11. 11 is the bigger bottom, and yet 7/11 is the bigger fraction. So never judge by size. Ask who is closer to the whole. Only when nothing jumps out do you cross-multiply. Up the diagonals, 55 versus 56. 7/11. But reach for that last, not first. So 4 moves. 2, fraction is just divide and take. 2, know the chord table cold. 3, cancel before you multiply. 4, to compare, ask which is closer to a whole. You'll usually see it and cross-multiply only as a last resort. That's the whole toolkit. All right, your turn now. Group 1. Taking a fraction of a number. Easy first. What's 3/8 of 160? Pause and try it in your head. Cancel first. 160 over 8 is 20 times 360. Done before your pen moves. Medium. What's 7/12 of 480? Pause. Bottom first. Think 48 over 12 is 4. So 480 over 12 is 40. Times 7, 280. Boss level, and it's a twist. 5/8 of a number is 155. What is a number? Pause and think. Run it backwards. 5 parts make 155. So 1 part is 155 over 5. That's 30 plus 1, 31. Now 8 parts and times 8 is just double. 31, 62, 124, 248. Group 2, comparing fractions, the fast way. Easy. Which is larger, 7/8 or 11/12? Pause. Both are 1 sliver short of the whole. 11/12 misses only a 12th, thinner than an 1/8, so it's closer to 1 and larger. Medium, which is larger, 3/5 or 5/7. Pause. Each is 2 away from the whole. Bigger numbers sit closer to 1, so 5/7 wins. No cross-multiplying. Hard. Put these in order. Smallest first. 6/7, 4/5, 5/6. Pause. Each one is just short of a whole. 6/7 misses a 7th. 4/5 misses a 5th. 5/6 misses a 6th. The biggest gap is the smallest fraction. So 4/5 is smallest, then 5/6, then 6/7. Group 3, decimals and simplifying. Easy. What fraction is 0.375? Pause. Straight from the table, that's 3/8. 1/8 is 0.125 times 3. Medium. Simplify 288 over 384. Pause. Both are even, so just keep having them together. 288 over 384 becomes 144 over 192, then 72 over 96, then 36 over 48. And that is 3/4. Hard. Which is largest? 0.7, 3/4, or 5/8? Pause. Lean on the table. 3/4 is 0.75, 5/8 is 0.625, and 0.7 sits between. So 3/4 is the largest. Final boss. A tank is 4/5 full. Take out 30 liters and it drops to 3/5 full. What is the tank's full capacity? Pause and think. The 30 liters you removed is the drop. 4/5 down to 3/5 is 1/5. So 1/5 is 30 liters, and the whole 5/5 is 30 times 5, 150 liters. That's fractions, the fast way. Divide and take. Memorize the table, cancel first, and to compare, ask which is closer to a whole. Drill these on 10 problems today, and they turn automatic. Next up, decimals, recurring decimals, and the division shortcuts that make ugly numbers vanish. If this helped, like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. See you in the next one.